Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I've got a review about the REREAL Extreme Precision Liner. So this is it outside of the box. And if you can see, I got already my eyeliner done because this is something I dislike by makeup, eyeliners. And you've got eyeliner and eyeliner. And this is my favorite on this moment because you can make a very thin line. We can make a semi thicker line. And we can make a very thick bold line. And that is something that I like very much. If you can see, it is really high pigmented. It dries down very quickly. That's a plus too, so that not you open your eyes after applicating it and you've got a nice stamp on the top of your lid and you can start all over again with your eye look. So this is it. The bristle exists with all loose hairs, so it isn't a filled tip. That's something I like very much because the filled tips are not bending. This one is very bendable, like if you can see. That's something I like very much. So I can even make a heart very easy without having struggle. And I really like pens like this. This is really something, and it is something if somebody says who doesn't like to do their eyeliner, that an eyeliner is that great. Take it from me, it is great because I don't like it to do my eyeliners because my eyes are crazy and there is no eyeliner in the world. There was no eyeliner in the world who could do this without bleeding in the little fine lines and things like that. And that's all history now. So this was it for a very quick review about the REREAL Extreme Precision Liner by Benefit. This is my favorite on this moment. I hoped you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!